So I have a situation here where I'm trying to import some files into my Premiere Pro app to edit. That's video files now. So I have my folder where I have these videos, and when I drag in the videos that I want to edit, there are two actually, it doesn't matter, but when I drag it in, you see that I have this prompt here: file import failure, the file has an unsupported compression type. Right, so, and this is an MKV file. Normally it should be able to be imported because other similar files have been used by me previously and they came in successfully. So what do we do in this situation? You can simply use another software, let's say free software like Shortcut. So this is another open source video editing software called Shortcut. So you just open it, and I'm gonna drag in the videos here. Actually, these are two videos side by side, and they are just how I want them to be. So I'm just gonna drag both of them in and paste them into my shortcuts. So once I do this, what I need to do now is to export the file to the desktop, and I'll name it something. And then I'll save. Then you can see the exporting has started. So we're just gonna pause this video and continue after the export is completed. So now that the file is completed, the file export is completed, as seen here, marked good. All we have to do is right click to open the folder, show the file in the folder, or just go to wherever the file was saved. As you can see here, this actually also compressed the video drastically. That's something to take note of. So when I drag in the video into Premiere Pro now, see that the video actually imports without any issues. So you can see that my video has now been imported without any issues. So this is how you go ahead to solve the issue where you get the compression, the file format type issue on Premiere Pro. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment to let me know what you think about the video and if it helped you. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video for more people to get to this resource. Thank you for watching, and how to take care. Remember to follow me on social media at How to Tech, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.